Hello everyone. Today I will present a study about social emotional learning in early childhood. I will explain why it is important and how early program can help children develop their social and emotional skills. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Sharani Chandrum and my student ID ends with 068. And let's take a look. Abstract. This study focuses on the importance of social emotional learning or CIL in early childhood and examines how different early childhood intervention programs support its development. The paper reviews exciting research on various types of programs, including general pre-kindergarten, multi-component program, and skill-based CIL intervention. It also discussed challenges in defining and measuring CIL. Overall, this study highlights that early intervention can support children's social and emotional development, although results vary depending on program quality and implementation. Research objective. The main objective of this study is to review and compare the effect of different early childhood intervention programs on children's social emotional learning, and to identify gaps in how CIL is defined, measured, and implemented in research and practice. Methodology. This study used a literature review method by collecting data from databases such as Web of Science, PsychoInfo, Google Scholar, and PubMed. The research select study based on specific criteria, include peer-reviewed article focused on preschool age children, use of CIL measured, and longitudinal design with control group. The select study were then categorized into three types of intervention and analyzed systematically. Key findings. The findings of the early childhood program generally have positive effect on children's social emotional skills, such as emotional regulation and social interaction. Skills-based CIL intervention tend to show more consistent results, while broader programs also provide benefit but with more variation. The effectiveness of this program depends on factors like program design, duration, and implementation quality. And then the last conclusion. The study concludes that early childhood intervention play an important role in promoting social emotional development. However, there is still a lack of consistency in how CIL defined and measured, making it difficult to compare results across studies. Future research should focus on improving measurement methods and conducting more rigorous and long-term studies to better understand the impact of this program. Personal reflection. This study made me realize that social emotional skills are just as important as academic ability in early childhood. I used to think that success in learning mostly depended on cognitive skill, but this research saw that emotional regulation and social interaction also play a big role in children's development. It also highlights how important it is for teachers and programs to not only focus on knowledge, but also building children's character and emotional well-being. So that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.